Hello, I'm Russ.
I'm June.
And today we're going to make
Pork ginger?
pork ginger, alright. We boiled water and that's going to be for our miso soup. We're making rice. What, 1.5 cups? Cup and a half of rice, so a cup and a half of water. Now we boil until it's done. It's our pork.
Already I did.
2 tablespoons of ginger and a 1/4 cup of water.
Don't need to cook right now completely. You don't need to. I didn't clean up the oil. I just use it. Yeah. Onion, square onion, and yesterday I cut a little bit cabbage. Cabbage, little bit hard, so I want to put water a little bit. And put this one. And I put it like this, so making the cabbage soft now. Water, ginger, tube ginger, and soy sauce. I don't know how much I can put. Maybe. Tekito. It's getting, the bubble is going down. Nothing.
So the rice is almost done. When the bubble goes away, the rice is almost finished. That means the water is gone, right?
I hope.
We need to get a rice cooker.
Yeah. After that, pour this one, soy sauce base, ginger and water. Actually sake we have to put, but we don't have sake, so I use water. Maybe not enough. Hey. And down, mix later, and the rice is no bubble now, so I turn off. Smell good, right?
Smells good.
いいですか? Yours.
And there you are. It's done. Pork, ginger, and seaweed miso soup.
Gohan time.
Oil?
Yeah, I want to show the people what you doing. I'm so scary. I am so scared.
I only learned from you because this is the way you do it.
No,
What are you doing?
no. Oh shit. This is not good. I can check the rice. Just eat it.
It's done.
No. I gotta wait a little bit. Oh, I'm hungry だからさ。
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, please check them out too. Until we meet again, mata ne.